Hi, welcome everyone. Here is a primary checkpoint which was given May-June 2009. So this is a first paper. That's why you have only 45 minutes here. So here it says additional material you can use pen, pencil, rule and protractor. So let's go for the first question and see how we can do it. So question number one, 60 is a multiple of 1. Okay, so you have to see what are the factors of 60 here is given. So which 5 times you can get 60 and as well as from 10 times you can get, not from these two. So you have to circle what are the correct answers. So 5 and 10. If you do that, you will get 1 mark here. Question number 2. Steven says no odd number ends in 8. Is this true or false? Obviously it's true. Why? Because odd numbers can't be end up with 8. So basically even numbers are end up with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what you can write here, B part, explain why you think this statement is true or false. Why is true? 8 is an even number. So if you write that, you will get 1 mark here as well. So we'll move to question number 3. Complete the calculation below by writing the correct sign in the boxes. So here plus, minus and equal given. You might not use everything here in order to get this answer. Yes, here 11 and 3 is there. So what will happen from 11, if you subtract 3, you will get 8. So 11 minus 3 equal 8. If you do this, 1 mark. We'll move to question number 4. Gary has 2 fraction cards, 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. Gary says 1/2 is better than 1/3. Draw diagram to show that Gary is correct. So what you have to do is you have to draw a rectangle, even you can draw a circle, whatever. So try to draw as both are equal. So here is half. Here if you cut it into 3 pieces, here one is 1 over 3. So that is how what you have to show. This is half and this is 1 over 3. If you show that, you will get marks. So with that, we'll move to question number 5. Look at the shapes below. Tick, correct mark, any shapes that have right angles. You know there are 5 angles, but acute, which is less than 90. If it is exactly 90, we call right angle. Which is more than 90, less than 180, we call obtuse. And a straight line angle is exactly 180. Then if it is more than 180, less than 360, we call what? Reflex angle. So those are the 5 angles you have learned. So by looking at this, you can see only right angle, this as well as this. Okay, if you look at here, it's acute, here obtuse, and here obtuse, and here also obtuse. You can see only right angle, you can see these two only. That is the answer. Question number 6. This is a direction question, so it's better if you write all the direction what you can write here. So I will write south, and here western, and this is eastern. So if you draw this, it's easy for you. What shape is west of shape B? So then when it comes to direction question, always try to think as you are standing here. Then easy to think. So west of shape B. So here west is here this side, which is answer C. What shape is north east of shape D? Now it's saying from B it's asking. So think about you are standing at D. And northeast you can see from here, northeast is this way. So that means this way. So answer is what? E is the answer. So moving on to last one. Yusma stands at shape D. Now again it's here. And what direction must she travel to get to shape E? Shape E is where? So this way. So if you want to go this way, that means we have to go this way. That means what? Southwest. Okay. So that is the answer for question number 6. Everything we discussed. We'll move to question number 7. It's pretty much a straightforward question. Give the time shown on the clock in words. So here what? 10:20. Okay. It doesn't matter AM or PM. It doesn't matter. They just want to write the time in words. We'll move to question number 8. 10,523 using numbers. Okay, so we'll go for the answer. 10,523. What is the value? Is value of the 1 in the 2612. So here you know units, and all here we call units, and this one we call tens, hundred and thousand. So here is 1 is asking what is 1 is, value of 1 is 10. Then we are moving into question number 9. So first question, A part is asking around 734 nearest 10. So what you are doing is, when you get a question like this, so you have to round this to nearest 10. So what you have to do is, you have to cut it after 10 and keep your eye here and see whether this number is 5 or more than 5. 5 or more than 5. It should be this way, more than 5. So this number is 4, not 5 or more than 5. So what you do is, you put 0 here. So answer is 730. Likewise, you can do this one, nearest 100. So you cut it from here. Look at this number is 6 more than 5. So you have to add 1 to here, which is what? 500. That's how you do these questions. We'll move to question number 10. The sequence starts 2, 6, 10, 14. Explain the role of this sequence. So you have to see, when it comes to sequence question, you have to compare with two numbers and see how much is added. So here 2, 6, 4 is addition. 6, 4, addition 4. Here addition 4. So what is the rule? Addition 4. That's it. So that's easy. Question number 11. 9, 10, 11 are consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers means it's together numbers. So 1, 2, 3 are consecutive numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if it is 3 numbers, we call consecutive number, which is here 9, 10 and 11 also consecutive numbers. Together numbers. It should be together. 9, 10, 11. So find 3 consecutive numbers which add up to 15. So you have to think what are the numbers. You can 1, 2 plus 3, let's say 3, 6 more. Then 3 plus 4 plus 6, 5, let's say 3, 7 more. Then 4 plus 5 plus 6, let's say 5. Here 9, 6, 15. So answer is 4, 5, 6. Moving on, question number 12. Megan collects stamps. She keeps a record of where the stamps come from. So we will continue in the class these questions. So we have individual class as well as group class for Cambridge primary checkpoint as well as Cambridge secondary checkpoint. So you can join with us. For more details, you can refer Cambridge Facebook page, Cambridge Mathematics, Cambridge Edexcel Mathematics, and you can contact with us. So we had in the past best results out of 6 for Cambridge students. So everyone is willing, if anyone is willing to join, you can join with us. Thank you very much for watching. See you then. Bye.